Hey everybody, it's Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today we're headed to Magic Kingdom to experience the magic of the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. This is a very unique ride in that the cars actually do swing slightly side to side like you're in a mine car. But I'm gonna let the ride speak for itself, so sit back, hold on tight, and enjoy the POV.
Awesome. I love how you can tell where the kids are. They're doing more. Good point.
Thank you so much for riding along with us, and if you're ready to experience this magic in person, be sure to reach out to your Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link right down below. And if you love this look at the rides, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your Disney friends.